Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification to get updates immediately.
Two damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with a huge Romwe haul. Well, I had shopped from Romwe a long time back and I'll link the video here. You can go and check that out. I had done a comparison between Shein and Romwe. So the thing is, let me tell you guys, things have changed. Earlier Shein was the more affordable one, but now if you go and check the prices on Romwe, you will find that it is the less expensive one. Also, I found a very interesting thing with the emergence of apps like Club Factory where the prices are really cheap. Shein and Romwe has also changed their gameplay. Now you can find very affordable things on Shein and Romwe, which was not the scenario a year back. I got things at rupees 67, which is at a higher price in Club Factory. I'm going to show you that in a while, but this was not possible a year back. But I'm so happy that they have maintained the quality, so you get less price goods but of very good quality. So let me take you through the app once. If you go here, this is my order. So I had ordered on 14th June and I got the delivery on 21st June. That is a transit time of 7 days, which is pretty good considering that the shipment came from China. Well, as you can see here, now there are amazing deals. If you go to the 90% off section, you get so many things within 67 rupees. So here's a direct comparison between Club Factory and Romwe, and as you can see, the Romwe ones are cheaper and I can assure you of better quality. So without wasting any more time, let's see what I got. So first is this Pom Pom Design Keychain. I found it really sturdy, like the material, the golden material was really sturdy and the pom pom was soft as well. Next is this ice cream design keychain. Well, I found it to be very cute. I didn't need a keychain, but it was so cute and affordable that I just had to buy this. Now these are eye makeup isolation stickers. There are 10 pieces in it. It is used when you don't want your eye makeup to destroy your base. I don't need it now, so I am not opening this one. Coming to the jewelry section, these are the open triangle 3D drop earrings. Next is a layered choker, and as you can see, the golden color of this thing is very sober. Like many things in Club Factory, the golden is too flashy and it looks a bit cheap. But these look awesome. Next are these gold plated hollow circle bar long drop earrings. Well, I have seen a lot of YouTubers wear those. Next up is a very fancy item because I don't know when I'll wear it. It's a brooch in the bicycle design. How cute is this? This is how you lock it in. Here's an open cuff ring which you can adjust according to your size. Now comes the cute hand towel which I've already shown in the comparison, and the material is so very soft. Talking of softness, this headband beats everything. It is so cozy and I loved wearing it. So you can wear it when you're washing your face or you don't want your hair to get into your way when you're doing anything on your face. A few days back I was seeing a lot of popsicle recipes on YouTube, so I thought of getting this popsicle mold with lid. Next is this flowerless trim dot blouse. Well, the color was also looking good and the lace is quite nice. And I got this in the size L. Next is this cute frill trim open back bow tie detail striped top in the size L. And finally, the star of the show, the one-shouldered layered ruffle trim bodysuit, and this is in the size M. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you have liked my haul, and I definitely recommend you guys to check Shein and Romwe before placing your order on Club Factory, because now they are at a competitive rate and I can assure you that they have better quality things. Another awesome thing is that now Myntra's end of reason sale is going on. You can get awesome stuff at very low price. I have already shopped from there. I had paid extra ₹120 before the end of reason sale started because I was not sure if I'd get the things I wanted and if they will be in stock. I hope they are delivered soon and I can show it to you guys so that if they are still available you can buy it. So see you guys soon again. Bye.